Let's gather here to learn another simple edge wrap. Very, very simple, fast. Okay, so you've seen the edge wrap at the beginning, so I'll be showing you steps I used to achieve this. Get your material available. We need rubber band, we need office pen, and your get material. So the way I've just done it that is shown in the video, get your material, divide it, make one longer than the other, just a bit like that. You can see it in the video. Then use the rubber band to divide it like this. Place it right on your head. Okay, you can see that from the beginning. You can even see that it's quite simple. So guys, watch till the end and see the magic. You see what I'll perform here now. It's quite simple. Just hold on, and you will see what I'm going to do. Just try to adjust both sides like you are saying. Just it's arranged, it has already arranged itself. You just have to align it. Then you take the both hands backward, then you cross it. Okay, you can put anyone up and you put anyone down. Okay, so you just cross it like this. You brought it forward, right? So you just also the pleat that is there, you just try to arrange it, make it aligned, straighten it to your own satisfaction. Okay, then you're going to be placing it on your head like this. So the excess there, make sure you remain just a little one excess. So you place it in the rubber like that, and you have this like this. Just leave it like that. Go to the other leftover and place it down like this as seen in the video. Just concentrate and watch so that you can get it. Okay, even if you don't know how to tie at all, you should try this and you're going to see how it's going to look after you're done. So guys, I did that into the rubber band, but if you can observe, you see that I did not release the hand like I did for the first one. I folded it in, right, and I dip it into the rubber. Just focus your eyes and see. Take note of everything I do in this video so that I can easily achieve it. Then I stretch it out, then I have this. So I'm going to be pinning that place down to get it secured, and the other part too will be pinned down to get it secured. Guys, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to follow my page, subscribe to my channel for more airdrop tutorials. Okay, so guys, you go to the back, you pin it down in both edges too to make it stand and firm. All right, so that is what I'm doing right there, guys. So when I sat down and I was like, okay, I want to do something, I just came about this, I just lay my hands on it, and this is what I have. All right, so guys, I want you to also try it. Let's see if we can actually achieve this. You can do it seriously because I did it myself. So what's there, you can also do it, and you can rock it anywhere, actually, church, party, name the place it goes. So I have this and I added it at the front to beautify it, and here is the outcome, guys. Here is the outcome. Hope you love what you're seeing. Actually, I love it. So guys, drop your comment, follow, like, share, subscribe to my channel from headwrap tutorials, and I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.